DSers is a third-party app that streamlines AliExpress dropshipping for Shopify stores. Instead of manually importing products, syncing inventory, and fulfilling orders, DSers automates these processes. This means less manual effort and fewer errors when sourcing products from AliExpress. As of 2025, DSers has over 1.5 million active users and integrates AI-driven product recommendations, automated pricing adjustments, and compliance with e-commerce regulations to ensure efficient operation for your store. DSers integrates AI-driven features and regulatory compliance to ensure efficient, error-free operations for your Shopify store. First, install DSers from the Shopify App Store and authorize it to access your store's data. Next, connect your AliExpress supplier account and verify your payment methods. Use DSers Product Finder to import listings, customizing titles and descriptions to match your brand. Configure automation settings like auto order placement and inventory thresholds. Test everything with a sample order. DSers can handle up to 10,000 products per store, and secure data transfers ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR. DSers has a 4.85 rating on Shopify App Store as of August 2025.